friends. It's your girl. Hold on, wait a little. Anyways, a little smoky in here because A, I just got done running hot water and washing dishes, and B, I vape. So, I am going to wash my hair using these new products by Nature's Spell. They have gone completely viral on TikTok. And of course, I was curious because, as you guys know, my hair has started thinning, aka falling out. Since I have gone up in milligrams with the Manjaro, I have suffered from thinning hair, hair loss. It has gotten quite thin, if I do say so myself. I mean, girl, that's all my hair. And so I keep seeing these products go viral on TikTok. Well, I did reach out to the company. I told them my story and stuff. But I haven't heard back from them yet. However, my mother picked up the full collection, and so we are going to try it today. And then, of course, I will do an updated video once I have used up this entire batch of products. So we have the shampoo. This is the Nature's Spell Growth Complex, and that's the whole system that I have. I have the Nature's Spell Growth Complex Salt-Free Shampoo. And it's supposed to stimulate healthy hair growth for longer, stronger tresses. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5, aloe vera, avocado, and murmur. Suitable for all hair types, cleanses and conditions, boosts scalp circulation, and promotes hair growth. These products are made in England. They are 100% vegan, and they don't have any of the bad stuff in them. I don't know how much you guys know about how it is across the pond. Their FDA is like way stricter than ours. So I'm really excited to try both of these. This is what their packaging looks like. I have the shampoo and conditioner. And then I'll try to insert photos here. But my mom got the entire system, and she actually bought 2 different systems to get everything for the growth complex. So I just had her give me portions. So I have the deep conditioning mask. I have the growth oil, and I have the rosemary skin and hair oil. So today I'm going to try these 3, the shampoo, conditioner, and the growth oil. And then I'm also going to try the mask. So let's wash my hair after I make sure I don't have a delivery. And let's go on this hair growth journey that I hope this works for my hair. And in case you guys are curious, they do have all other kinds of different hair products. Sorry, I forgot to turn my light back on. They also have a curly hair line, which I'm going to try eventually. But for right now, these are the products I'm trying. Again, this is their Growth Complex shampoo and conditioner, oil, and deep conditioning mask. So let's do it. Smells really nice. I thought it would smell like rosemary, but I'm not getting that at all. So I'm gonna start at the scalp and see if this is concentrated. Oh yeah, you don't need a lot of product. Like at first when I saw the bottles, I thought, wow, those are really small. They are 10.4 full ounces, but they look really small. But this stuff is super concentrated. Do you guys see that? It smells really good. I was worried it was going to smell like straight up rosemary. All right, right from the jump, generally when I wash my hair with just shampoo alone, it does not feel moisturized at all. This feels nice and moisturized. Like I could go without conditioner if I wanted to, but I don't recommend it with curly hair, of course. I'm just trying to get as much water out as I can so that conditioner can really penetrate the hair and all of that good stuff. generally I only mask once a week. So I think we'll add the mask in. I'm not going to condition and mask. That will weigh my curls down. So I'm going in with the conditioner. Smells just like the shampoo. It's a nice thick consistency, which I like. Hopefully it's got good slip. Now what I like about this is this tells you to put it through the lengths and on your scalp. A lot of conditioners, and if you have curly hair, you know, you cannot put on your scalp. It will weigh your curls down, but this actually tells you to get down to the scalp. It is for all hair types. It is safe for color treated hair. It's safe for black hair, you know, all kinds of ethnic hair. I have a mixture of white and black hair. So, just in case you have my hair type, I'm 3C. It does have good slip, just FYI. My hair smells so good right now, you guys. Because my mom has the original bottles, she asked me if I wanted to use them for the video, and I was like, girl, no, that's fine. I'm gonna look up what it says to do with the oil. I believe it tells you to start from the lengths and then work your way up to the scalp. The reason you want to use this oil on your scalp is because the ingredients within the oil are put in there to help stimulate growth. The growth comes from here, not down here. Okay, so I lied. It says after shampooing and conditioning to smooth over the mask. So here we go. And I'm gonna leave it on for up to 5 minutes. Look at that, it's so thick. I'm just gonna do the praying hands motion. And I'm gonna put quite a bit. I will see you all in 5. It's so thick and luxurious. Oh, and it smells so good, you guys. All right, you guys, really quick before we rinse the mask, I do want to let you know that this stuff is like made with a concoction of like Indian medicinal ingredients. That is what helps stimulate the hair growth. I'm just going to let you see this right here in case you want to pause. I'll also leave their website linked. No joke, my hair feels like silk. Typically, I'm like super picky about hair oils. I am gonna try this hair oil here and let you guys know what I think. And I'm just gonna go ahead, spray a few pumps in my hand. It says use 2 to 3, but I don't have the original bottle. This is what it looks like. Claims to be a lightweight oil. And it says to put it through the lengths for protection and shine. All right, guys, so my hair is not dry, but I'm loving the way that it feels. It feels so soft, so hydrated. We're gonna do a 30-day trial. So this is what my hair looks like. Ta-da! Nice and thin. See you in 30 days.